Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn functions, statements versus expression in Rust. Let's get started. So functions in Rust declared with the keyword that is fn. Parameters must have the type annotation. Return type if any, and it should be if it is returned then you have to specify it with the type arrow and the type. Function body is enclosed with the curly braces. Here you can see that, right? So here we are calling the function that is greet. Okay, so here function with no return type. Okay, so here you can see that no return value, and here function with the return value a plus b expression no semicolon. What does it mean? So if the last line here in a function has no semicolon, if it has no semicolon, it becomes a return value. Use return value if you want to return early. What if you add a semicolon? Here if I add the semicolon returns the expression into statement, so it not longer returns a value. Okay, this is what the difference is. Let's copy and save this function to run this. So here we have the function. Save this. Now run. So here you can see that hello Alice, sum is 8. So here you can see greet name and hello with the name, and the function with the return value a plus b, whatever the value group it gonna be returned, so it will add over here. The sum would be 8. It's gonna print it over there. Okay. The next one, statements do something but don't return a value. Always end with the semicolon. That's statements. So whenever you add a semicolon, it becomes a statement. Examples, variable declaration, loops, and the function calls. So here you can see that it's a statement. And if I'm not going to add a semicolon, it become expression. That means result is assigned to y. Okay. So here full result is assigned to the y. Whatever a plus 3 is coming up, it will assign to the y. Okay. Examples of statements. Here you can see that let number is 10 and you can print it out because semicolon is added. Expressions produce the value and don't end with a semicolon. What I say, without semicolon it become expression, can be used in assignments or the function returns. Always, almost everything in Rust is an expression. Function calls, blocks, arithmetic operators, right? So sum is 5 plus 3 is an expression, right? So here you can see squared expression, function call. Let x equal to this last line without semicolon would be an expression. Okay, so here almost everything in Rust in expression, whether it's to be a function call, blocks, arithmetic operations, so all it comes under the expressions, right? If you add a semicolon at the end of an expression, it becomes a statement and it will no longer return a value. Let's take a load features. If it end with a semicolon, it would be a statement, not an expression. Produce a value. In the statement, it will not, but in expression, yes. Use inside let. So only if it's an expression, okay, that would be a statement. Expression 5 plus 3, okay. So function always declare parameter types, returns type optional. Statements do something, no return value. Expression produce a value, can be a part of a statement. So this is all about the expression, statement, and the functions. Hope you understand. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.